Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. We're sitting in my car in about 0 degrees of weather, so it is freezing, so I'm gonna make this a quick video, but this is a video about the stock head unit going back into my WRX. I'm not gonna show you guys the process because I did it at like 1 in the morning on the only day that it was kind of warm, and it was only warm because it was snowing and the snow like insulated the car. It's been incredibly cold here recently, so I've already replaced it. We're back to the stock head unit. I've got to say, basically I just wanted to make this video saying the stock head unit sucks. So I told you guys that before when I first put the other head units in the car, and I wanted to make another video because it's basically been 3 years of me saying, oh, they're better, but I forgot that perspective of the stock head unit, and the stock head unit is absolutely garbage. Let me show you. So this is the stock head unit. Not only does it look horrendous, I've got to say, interior of this car went from a 6 or 7 out of 10, because they're not perfect anyways, to like a 4 out of 10. Maybe higher. Maybe it was like an 8 out of 10, and now it's a 4 out of 10. So the stock head unit is absolutely garbage. I've had it back in the car for like 4 days, and I've got to say, already in the 4 days, I tried to hook up my phone via Bluetooth to listen to music one of the times, dropped it like 3 times, so it's already not functioning like every other stock head unit does with the Bluetooth. It already has those problems. The screen is garbage. The backup camera is so small compared to the one on the Idoing or the Seicaine. I've got to say, guys, more important than ever, replace the head unit in your WRX. It makes such a difference with the interior quality, the feel while you're in here, all those things. And I've got to say, I mean, it's a different interior of the car. When you're like in the driver's perspective, like it's hard to show it with the camera. The driver's perspective in this car, the head unit makes such a big role because it's something you're just staring at. Usually it's the head unit, the access port, and the front of your car to look at your speed. That's basically it. If you're shifting based off of sound, which is what I found myself doing for years. And it's like you put this, you get 33% of that view becomes this crap right there. And I miss when it was a decent head unit. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, there's tons of videos on my channel about the Seicaine and Idoing head units that I've had in these cars and other WRXs. An absolute upgrade, worth the $300. Get one in your car. I'm not sponsored. I don't get any money for saying that. It's one of the mods that I consider the highest value in the happiness of owning this car, and one of the things that will improve your daily driving and your experience with the car from the get-go. $300 is an absolute no-brainer. Before you consider spending any real money on the car, head unit, 100%. The stock one sucks. Before I freeze to death, I will let you guys go. I just, had to make this video, had to tell you guys exactly how I feel because I want to give you guys the real, the real owner's experience and what my real thoughts are, having tested all this stuff out. And like, that bothers me. The head unit bothers me being stock more than the car being stock, to be honest with you. I was like thinking about the other day when I was driving it home from Ren Tuning. I was like, wow, the car's stock, it's a big difference, but I noticed more importantly, the head unit. I was more frustrated with the head unit and the different experience and the look and just not having all that stuff. More bummed about the head unit. So that should say something. Something to think about. Thank you guys for watching the video. I know this was a quick update about the head units and stuff. If you want to see more information about the other head units, go through my channel. I've made tons, probably 10 plus videos since I started this channel on head units, how to replace them, reviews, usability testing, comparison between brands. Something to seriously think about that. Something to seriously think about before I freeze here. I'm going to let you guys go. Have a great day.